Hi, good day, M6233. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Ivy Taton, 40 years old, married. My husband name is Siguapo Taton, 48 years old. Have one son only. I'm high school graduate. I live in Kabangkalan City, Negros Occidental. My father's name Felipe Soborniso and my mother's name Susan Soborniso. I
Okay, your
have
religion.
I'm Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My work experience in Doha, Qatar for 2 years and 1 month. My main duties are cleaning, playing with the children, gardening, and cooking
Okay. And you're also taking care of
of children.
pets, right?
Yes, yes, have
What kind of pets?
cat,
How many?
one only son.
One only cat. And you are two helpers on the house, right?
Yes,
And you
yes,
are the one who took care of a child.
yes, sir.
Okay, and you have also experience here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience here at the Philippines.
My work experience in the Philippines are taking care of the 8 months old, 8 months
Baby, 8 months old baby, okay?
yes, and the 6 years old and 4 years old.
Okay. And also do the household chores.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a baby which is 8 months old, so you know how to take care of a newborn also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn,
Yes, sir.
okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I check first the diaper or weight and or maybe the baby hungry, give milk also.
Okay.
I change the diapers.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, like you change the diaper, you check the temperature, feed the baby, all of your best you do to make the baby stop to cry, what will you do?
I sing, I call my employers.
Okay, and what will you say to your employer?
The baby's crying.
The baby doesn't stop to cry.
Yes.
Okay, maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, so you have to call first the employer, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong, sir, because Hong Kong is a high salary than in the Philippines, and the Hong Kong is CPS country, and the employer follow the contract, and the Hong Kong is near in the Philippines at the time, and the time same in the Philippines.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
With my 2 years, sir.
2 years.
Yes.
And if your employer wants you to extend your contract, it is okay with you?
It's okay, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn, sir.
Yeah, you are willing to learn.
Yes, sir.
And how will you learn to cook?
In the YouTube, sir,
Okay.
or the Chinese book.
Okay, you could watch on YouTube or also read some recipe books so that you could learn.
Yes.
And also if your employer have a time to prepare food for themselves, it is okay to you to help them
Yes.
so that you could learn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
It's okay, sir.
It is
But-
okay with you.
Yes, but good day of Sunday on this.
Okay, they have a day off, but if your employer asks you to work in some other day, like because they have a prior commitment on Sunday, so you will change the day off like Monday. It is okay with you?
It's okay.
Okay, it is okay to you to take care of pets,
Yes.
take care of elderly, take care of elderly. It is okay with you?
No, sir.
No, you don't have any experience.
No, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you select me as your employer. I am a hardworking and responsible person. I promise to you, sir, to serve your family with all my best. Thank you. Ma'am
Okay.
Ansa.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Ivy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.